Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, I'm going to show you how to make some mini chocolate Easter bunnies. In this tutorial, I am using exactly the same mold that you saw me use when we were making the mini chocolate carrots. So I'm going to start off with some dark chocolate in a piping bag, and then I'm just going to start quickly filling my little molds. Once your cavities are filled to the top, give your mold a tap, and this will help with releasing air bubbles from the mold and also give you a good idea if you need to add a little bit more chocolate to each of the cavities. So after tapping, now you can place your mold into the fridge for about 10 minutes. And then after chilling the mold in the fridge, bring it out, tap your mold, and all of your chocolates should come out with no problem. So that's basically it for this tutorial. You can see how quickly you can make something really cute for Easter with an inexpensive mold and a little bit of chocolate. So that's it for this really fast tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.